Hi there everyone, your Patriot here with the vlog. Ignore the fact that my hair looks wet. I got out of the shower a little bit ago, but I know it's only been like since last vlog that I filmed the thing where I got all the parts of the PC, but it's been a few days and the wait has been killing me. So now that it's Saturday, I actually have time to build it with the help of my younger cousin TJ. So yeah, we're gonna put all of that together. There's gonna be a parts list in the video description of this, just in case. Also, for my reference sake, just in case I want to look back and see what I got. But yeah, this is gonna be exciting because this is my first time building a PC. Your second time?
Yeah. So
you slightly know what you're doing more than I do, so.
Not that much, but yeah,
well, any help helps. And again, I mentioned this before, but if there's anything else I need help with, I could probably contact like a few of my friends and be like, hey, what am I doing? But let's build this. Okay, so the motherboard is in. I guess that's an accomplishment. Okay, so I got a 4 terabyte hard drive in and then a terabyte SSD in. So I guess next up, you said CPU, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, so got the RAM installed. That's 2 8-gig sticks, so 16 gigs of RAM. CPU is installed, but the problem is the heat sinks for the CPU don't fit. So I ordered a liquid cooling thing, and that's going to arrive on Monday, hopefully. But that is a minor setback, so I guess until then we'll just install other things. So yeah, this won't be finished until then, but either way we are on a bit of a time crunch since you have to go to work in like an hour. So we'll just do what we can, and then whenever the CPU cooler arrives, we can finish.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, let's put everything else in then. So the last thing we really needed to do for today was just put in the graphics card. So yeah, we're saving the power supply last until like the liquid cooler that I ordered arrives. So yeah, this build is on hold for now, and now we just need to clean up the mess that I made. So yeah. At least I got to get rid of some of these boxes, so that's good. I was all like gung-ho about this, like, oh, we're gonna finish, but no, I need one more thing to arrive, so oh well. And then at some point, once this build is finished, the liquid cooler should be arriving on Monday, like I said earlier. But once I do that, I need to make room on the desk for everything. Okay, so some time has passed since that last clip. My cousin TJ left, and I have to thank him again because he helped out quite a bit, and he's going to be helping out some more once the liquid cooler arrives, which, like I said before, it should be arriving Monday, but I don't think I'm going to have time to finish building the PC on Monday because of work. But since he has experience putting liquid coolers in PCs, because he did that on his, he said he's like willing to help out with that. But it's a shame that I won't be able to finish building this PC until later on, because today I came in expecting to finish it all today, but oh well, it happens. It happens. So yeah, everything is just like on the ground. Like the PC is right here, and then here's the monitor. Keyboard is right there, but like everything, at least as far as like what we did, I mean, it's still fine. The motherboard is still there, the RAM, the hard drive, and the SSD, the graphics card, it's all there. It's just can't really, oh, also the CPU, but like we can't really do anything else until the liquid cooler arrives. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be it for this vlog. And before, when I got the start of the vlog, I said I was gonna have a parts list in the video description, and I'm also going to include the liquid cooler that I got in the video description itself, just so like the parts list is all there, like everything is like right there. You don't need to worry about it. and I might put it in the vlog that I inevitably do when we end up finishing up the build for the PC, probably. I don't know, but yeah. It's a shame that we couldn't finish building this, but I'm in no rush. So, thank you all so much for watching, and see you all next time for another vlog. Later.